So the question is, in the circuit shown in the figure, this is the figure, the input voltage Vi is 10 volt and VBE equals to 0 and VBE, this one, okay, and VCE, this one. Let me do the arrow, C to E. The value of IV, the value of IB, the value of IC and the beta are given by, so we have to find the value of IB, IC and beta, okay, and beta equals to, we know that beta equals to IC upon IB, beta equals to this one, IC upon IB, okay. Let's see the solution. So the VB will be 0 and VCE will be 0 and VB will be also 0, okay, this is VB, this will also 0 and VBE is also 0, will be grounded, okay. So let's do the solution. So I equals to V upon R, so we have to find IC equals to 20, means 20, and this is grounded, so that's why this is 0, 20 minus 0 upon R, and R, this one, 4 into 10 to the power 3, and IC will be, after solving this, IC will be 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, and minus 10 to the power minus 3 we can write it as milli, so this is M, okay. So now we know that VI, we have to find the VI, so VI will be equals to BBE plus IBRB equals to IR, na? That's why, okay, means the current is going from there, that's why the IC, RC, this will be the C point and this will be the B point, so the current will be like in direction, in both directions, that's why the we are doing addition, and the BB point is grounded, this is grounded, that's why BBE 0, okay, and IRBR, we know that the value of RB, and we will find the value of IB, okay, and we know the value of VI, this is given, so IB will be 20 upon 500 into 10 to the power 3 equals to 40 U or A, okay, and we will find the beta equals to, we know that beta, I have told you in the previous slide and question that beta equals to IC upon IB always, okay. So we know the value of IC, we know the value of IB, this is mu means 10 to the power minus 6, okay. So the after the cancellation of this to this, we will find the answer of 125, and we know that all the units there will be no unit because because the unit will be cancelled from, because this is also current, the unit will be cancelled, that's why this is the solution, okay. Let me clear for you, yeah. So the answer will be the option number 4, okay.